Jim Kolba's got a treat for us today.
All right, so we had a wind knot. We had to cut out a section of our braid. So I'm going to show you how I connect my leader line to my braid. I use a Crazy Alberto knot. So the first thing I do is I take my leader and I make a loop with it. Run your braid up through it. Give yourself plenty to work with. And then I'm going to pinch it back here. And then I'm going to do 5 wraps.
We're doing tag. Yes. I'm not playing.
Just like that. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to pinch this end. And I'm going to do 5 wraps back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your tag end of your braid goes back through the loop that you got, like that. Now before you cinch any of your knots, you also want to wet them. I do that simply like that. Pull them snug, pull both your main lines, pull your tag ends, good and tight. Take your scissors, cut them off nice and short. Just like that. You got a nice strong knot, passes through your guides nice and easy. Crazy Alberto knot.
Crazy Alberta knot.
Yep.
Thank you, Jim.
You bet.
Thanks for watching, guys.